We're also looking at a number of strategies or incentives. No? First incentive is we have the reduction of the or suspension of the import tariff. So meron diyang most favored nation tariff na 0% na binigay natin sa four-wheel electric vehicles that are battery, e-scooters, and e-bikes. So pinag-aaralan ngayon kung pwede pa ba siyang i-expand to include the hybrid electric vehicle, for example. The other one is the excise tax for the battery electric vehicle. It's 0% and then it's 50% sa sa hybrid electric vehicle under the train law. Meron pa tayong motor vehicle users charge discount of 30% for battery electric vehicle and 15% for the hybrid electric vehicle for 8 years. Meron tayong priority registration sa LTO and priority processing of franchise to operate sa LTFRB. Meron tayong electric vehicle exempted from the Vehicle Volume Reduction Scheme or the number coding scheme. Kaya pag hinuli tayo ng MMDA, number coding, pag nakitang electric vehicle, walang offense, exempted. Sa local government units identifying green lanes, nakalagay yun sa Electric Vehicle Industry Development Act. So yung pag-identify ng bike lane, sabayan natin ng pag-identify ng electric vehicle lane, yun yung tinatawag nating green routes. So that's important. But what is more techy or sexy for the younger generation is we're developing this app for the electric vehicles. So it's a combination of ways and na-identify natin if you want yourself to be seen by other users, there's that option na makita ka. Pero ang maganda doon, pwede ka magpa-reserva kung saan ka mag-charge, kung ano ang oras ka darating. So I can plot myself going, for example, to what's your province? For example, La Union, ito yung charge ko, full charge, pupunta ako doon, ano yung mga charging stations, pwede kong i-reserve. Darating ako doon ng 3 hours, reserve ako sa isang charging point, tapos pwede akong kumain doon, tapos pwedeng andar ulit. So, yung community na yan na dinedevelop namin online with the assistance of our development partners is also another non-fiscal incentive.